Alright, see? PS4 1200 should make no noise. Power it off. See? Powering off. No noise. Now check. This is the noise it's making. See?